How to select dataframe columns using string keys when the column names are timestamps. In pandas, time series can be indexed by passing a string that is interpretable as a date. This works for a dataframe too. I am looking for ways to do this when the timestamps are the column names. This yields type error column only integer scalar arrays can be converted to a scalar index. The same is true for. The most immediate solution that I can think of is but I am wondering if there are any other good solutions. I imagine that for very large data frames, doing transpositions may have a performance impact that could be avoided here.
Well, there is always the filter option. Filter gives you greater flexibility, for example, with regular expressions.
Maybe you can try str contains.
There's also truncate, which allows you to work with datetime objects instead of treating the column names as strings. This would require two dates, though. Before and after arguments act as bookends for the period you want to retain.